PowerTOP Xtra, the proven guarantee for success for the application of plugs and connectors under the hardest conditions. Fast, practical locking slider between enclosure, cable gland and front part. Slip-proof. Best grip also with moisture, snow and dirt through unique rubber coating. Easy. Secure connection of front part and enclosure through locking slider. Practical, ergonomically shaped gripping surfaces. Safe, captive washers in the bayonet ring and connector lid. Protected, unlocking of the system only possible with suitable tools. Stable, high clamping forces and safe contact through proven frame terminals. Comfortable, optimum installation option through more space on the inside. Practice conform, conductor cross sections at 63 amps from 6 to 16 square millimeters, at 125 amps from 25 to 50 square millimeters.